Whenever I wove something new, I would show my mum. She was my teacher. She was always encouraging of my efforts. I recall the first time I exhibited my work, I was really happy to see on opening night that there was a red sold sticker on one of my pieces. A few weeks later, when the exhibition had closed, I saw that the piece that had been sold was hanging on my mum's wall. She was always celebrating my efforts. Mother's Day, Christmas Day, and especially birthdays would see me trying to weave something for my mum to ooh and ah over. I would spend ages trying to think of the perfect piece to weave for her. She would unwrap the woven gift and the oohs and ahs would happen. She was always joyous of my efforts. These past few months I have thought, what would I weave for my mum if she was still here? I thought about the things she loved, the things she cared about, the things that mattered to her. I thought about the things she stood by. There were so many things. But what I settled on was the raukura, the plume of white feathers she would wear atop her head with such pride. I thought about what it represented to her. If she were here, this kete would be hers, and I know for certain she would be proud of my efforts. Here is Mum's raukura.